Hello students, I am Akash from Academic English with Vibhu, and today we will study a lesson of student class 10 second poem in your book, that is Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. So student, again today we will introduce the most celebrated figure in American poetry. Robert Frost was the author of numerous poetry collection, born in San Francisco in 1874. He lived and taught for many years in Vermont. He died in Boston in 1963. He wrote many poems like Road Not Taken, The Earthward, Christmas Tree, etc. So student, if we talk about this poem, so you can see on the picture that one side given desire and another is hate. So if we talk about this poem, so Fire and Ice is a strong symbolic poem where fire is used as the emotion of desire and ice refers to the hate in this poem. Both the components are compared with self-destructing human emotion. In this poem, fire refers to the desire and ice refers to the hate. So now students, let's start the one word explanation. In this poem, poet says that there are two ways to destroy the world. So we will read the poem and elaborate and explain it to you, and will discuss two word meaning and literary device. Some say the word will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to know that for destruction ice is also good and would suffice. So, first of all, we will discuss the difficult word meaning. The first word is perish. Perish means is to die or end, and the second is suffice to be enough or sufficient. Some say the word will end in fire, some say in ice. So according to the poet, few people say the word will end in fire, few people say the word will end with ice. The poet says that there are two ways to destruct the world. दुनिया को ख़त्म करने के दो तरीके हैं, फायर और आइस. एज वी नो दैट फायर इज हियर सिंबलाइज एज desire and ice is symbolized here as hate. कुछ लोग कहते हैं दुनिया का अंत डिज़ायर की वजह से होगा, कुछ लोग कहते हैं दुनिया का अंत नफ़रत की वजह से होगा. सो फ्यू पीपल फॉर दैट दे फाइट विद ईच अदर द कॉज डिस्ट्रक्शन. मैनी पीपल hate each other with again leads to destruction. There are only two reasons destruction, that is fire and ice, which means desire and hate. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Now the poet shares his experience, and poet says the desire is the stronger factor and the poet is in the favor of fire. पोइट कहते हैं कि आग की वजह से जो लोग कहते हैं कि दुनिया का अंत होगा, मैं भी उनके साथ हूँ. बट इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ हिट. फिर उसके बाद पोइट ये भी कहते हैं, ही ऑल्सो सेज दैट अगर दुनिया को दोबारा खत्म होना पड़ा, अगर दुनिया का दोबारा खत्म होना होगा, तो ही ऑल्सो सेज फॉर डिस्ट्रक्शन आइज इज सफिशियंट. आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ इट. हेट यहाँ पर रिफर कर रहा है आइस को, तो ही ऑल्सो सेज दैट फॉर आइस इज सफिशियंट, यानी कि नफरत से भी दुनिया का अंत किया जा सकता है. If we know to destroy anything, ice will be enough to destroy anything. So, in this poem, first of all, the opinion of poem, then he took the side of fire, then he says, if it has to be destroyed twice, it can be destroyed by ice too. तो पोइट कहते हैं आइस भी एक अच्छा टूल है दुनिया को नष्ट करने के लिए. सो दिस इज द सिंबॉलिक पोएम. और फिर पोइट अपना ओपिनियन बताते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी द लिटरेरी डिवाइस ऑफ द पोएम. द फायर एंड आइस में अगर हम लिटरेरी डिवाइस की बात करें तो यहाँ पर राइमिंग स्कीम यूज की जा रही है, ए बी सी और बी सी बी. वहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं फायर, डिजायर एंड फिर आता है फायर. तो यहाँ पर ए बी ए और फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पर ए बी सी बी सी बी. अब इसके बाद बात करते हैं इसमें कौन सी लिटरेरी डिवाइस का यूज़ किया जा रहा है। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर एनाफोरा का यूज़ किया जा रहा है। एनाफोरा इज द रेपिटेशन ऑफ वर्ड। ठीक है, बार बार एक कंसेक्यूटिव लाइन का यूज़ किया जा रहा है, जहाँ पर सम से इज द रिपीटेड एट द स्टार्ट लाइन 1 and 2। सम से फर्स्ट लाइन में भी दिया हुआ है और सम से इन द सेकेंड लाइन इज ऑल्सो गिवन। देन आफ्टर पर्सोनिफिकेशन, फिगर ऑफ स्पीच का यहाँ पर यूज़ किया गया है। Personification is also used in the poem to give human qualities to the inanimate objects in the poem. Fire, ice personifies by giving them mind power of destroy anything. Also, alliteration is used in the repetition of consonant sound, that is favor of fire. Favor fire. A four line में you can see favor of fire. F and F are the repeating, that is alliteration. Assonance, it is the repetition of vowel sound in the same line, that is O. So you can see sound where O, hold where O, and those. So these are the three words where the assonance is also given. Imaginary is also used to make readers perceive things involving their five senses. Some say the word will end in the fire. Some say, here some means in the some mean in the people, but here the some is imaginary. So for today, this is the chapter. Hope you have understand about the chapter. Till then, thank you so much. Thank you for watching and stay with our channel. And if you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.